Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has recently acquired a Gulfstream G700. This new aircraft is expected to replace its Gulfstream G650ER. In 2018, the billionaire flew more than 149,129 miles in his G650ER. Elon is known to be a big fan of private jets and currently owns 4 jets. 3 of them are Gulfstream and 1 is a Dassault. The G700 is one of Gulfstream's newest aircraft and is expected to be delivered in early 2023. However, deliveries could be delayed due to ongoing software review by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. The G700 seats 19 passengers and is the world's largest private jet, with a range of 8,630.8 miles and a cruise speed of Mach 0.925, 709.7 miles per hour. Its price is $78 million. Flying the plane for 400 hours can mean an operating expense of about $3.5 million. Musk factors in the costly expenses. His October 31, 2022, flight in the G650ER from Los Angeles to New Jersey racked up $14,829 in fuel costs. The G700 cabin is the largest among business jets and is divided into several sections, such as the lavatory, galley, bow seating, entertainment suite, dining area, bedroom, and en-suite bathroom. The bedroom is one of the plane's most notable features, with a single or double bed and 20 windows for more light. The bathroom, one of its most luxurious features. The bathroom has several compartments for toiletries and valuables, a full-length mirror and a toilet with a leather seat. It is one of the few private jets large enough to house a standing shower. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe to see more.